Welcome. In front of me I have the CUBOT P50, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick spec look at of the device. So anyway, at the back we do have a couple informations about the phone, like its screen size and a couple of features, but I'm just gonna completely disregard it and open it up. There we go. Honestly, the back of the phone kind of reminds me of a Samsung, one of the Samsung Galaxies, just a cheaper one. Let's turn it on. Turn on. Looks like it might be completely dead. Any moment now, come on. Well, that's disappointing. It doesn't look like it wants to turn on. So anyway, wait, does it have a removable battery? I'm honestly surprised that there is a pop-off back, considering the year. Okay, I guess that explains a lot. Now let's see if it's gonna turn on. Ugh. There we go. Needed to grab the bag that fell down. There we go. Now for some reason the back cover has this brownish kind of tint to it. Not the most pleasant looking kind of thing. Would have been nicer if it was just clear, but whatever. Anyway, we do have this little information that there is an actual sticker on the battery, which is a handy thing. Otherwise I wouldn't even think about looking if the device has a pop-off back. Got some more paperwork, and here we get a charger, which is 10 watts, and a cable. Now this phone does have a Type-C charging port, so at least that is nice. Now in terms of specs right here, we are looking at a Helio P22 processor, 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of built-in storage. So just a typical kind of display of, at least at this time. Now display-wise, this is a, what was it, 6.2 inch IPS LCD display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, and it's only 720p by 1520 pixels. So the resolution of it might not be the best. And if we flip it over, we have a what looks like a triple camera setup, though truth be told the top one looks like it's fake, so that's a little bit disconcerting. And can't really find any info about the cameras right here, so I'm not really gonna say anything about it. Let's see what we get right here. Front camera 20 megapixels. Rear camera has only 12 megapixels. And it only says one of them. So I wouldn't be surprised if both of them are fake and only the bottom one is real. But whatever. So yeah, now last thing is last, we have a 4200 mAh battery, and this is more of a budget device, as you can probably figure out, so don't expect too much from it. I'm gonna quickly check the price of it to see what the actual value of it is. This is a little bit over $100, like 150 or so, depending probably what retailer you buy it from, but yeah, it's fairly budget device. Honestly, for 150 bucks, it seems a little bit lacking, but that's just my personal opinion here. So anyway, this would conclude the, overview of this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.